Hi, I'm Gary Barnes, founder of Gary Barnes International. And today I'd like to talk to you about the difference between a vision statement and a goal statement. A goal statement many times is just simply a wish or a dream. It's something that I might say, I wish I was 20 pounds lighter, or I wish I had enough money to be able to go to Europe for a month-long vacation. But it doesn't go very far from that. So one of the things that I'd like to share with you is how to create a vision statement. A vision statement is where you go into your future and make it so real that you can see it, taste it, and feel it. And the first thing that you do to create a vision is to dream. Dreaming is not bad, and we have actually been taught not to dream. Because at the first of the year, when I was growing up, there was a tradition. It was called New Year's Eve resolutions. And I've asked audiences all over the world if they still do it, and they say no. When I've asked why don't they say, why would I want to feel bad on January 3 when I'm already so far behind that I know that I can never catch up? So we have been taught now, and most of it by ourselves, not to dream. But dreaming is the raw material. It's that areas that we want to incorporate into our vision. So dreaming is very important. The second step is to create that dream or wish into a goal. And very simply, all you have to do is put a date of accomplishment, not a deadline, a date of accomplishment on one of those dreams that you have set out for yourself. Now, many plans stop there, but I'd like to suggest that you go to step 3, and that's actually creating a vision and making it, again, so real that you can see it, taste it, and feel it. A couple of different things that you can do to do that is to incorporate a concept that I now call no try. At my boot camps, I actually give out coffee mugs, and it's called the no try zone. That wisdom comes from a movie that I will not mention, but it's said that either we do or we do not, there is no try. And I really have embraced that concept in my life and in my business. The second thing is to use anchors. And in fact, this is also an anchor because every time I see it, I'm reminded of my vision, of my goal that I want to achieve in my life in a certain period of time. The third thing is to create get statements. Get statements are very useful and very real. What happens is that we have a group of cells in our brains called the reticular cells, and we can reprogram those cells. It's what allows us to see things in our lives, opportunities. And a get statement is something that we can use to reprogram those cells. The word get over the years, I have created an acronym, and the acronym stands for the word get is Great Expectations Today. And so these get statements are something like, I receive $100,000 with $80,000 net revenue by December 15th, whichever year that we're in. And so what I have done is I've set an expectation for myself in the future, exactly for what I wanted as the result to be and the timing of that result. When I write that out every single day, I have activated my visual, my auditory, and my kinesthetic senses on how I experience the world, and I now can create a new habit. So I would really encourage you to create your vision statements and get into the concept of writing your get statements for yourself and see what that benefit is for you and your business. I'm Gary Barnes, Gary Barnes International.